There is a second layer of energy. Only in the time of emergency it opens. Let me explain a small incident which has happened in my own life. I was staying in Himalayas, Mayavati. Any of you had been to Himalayas? Oh, only one or two. I was staying in Mayavati. Small ashram. Ashram does not mean that like these buildings or structures. It's a thatched roof with a thin sheet doors. Some 6-7 huts are there. Every one hut, one Swami used to stay in one hut. The speciality or importance of the ashram is tigers used to visit the ashram. In the night time, tigers used to come. One day just like that, the same way the tigers came. Someone entered the ashram premises, started making sound. One elderly Swami, experienced Swami, he was shouting, "Hey, all of you close your doors." Closing doors is not going to help, because if tiger gives one push, not only door, even wall will give way. Closing the door is not going to help. You have to keep some stone also to support the door. So he shouted. All of us picked up some stones, supported the door wall, and night also passed away. So we were sitting inside the room and showing when the tiger will come or what we do. Anyhow, next day morning, when the sun rises there around 10 o'clock. You should see Himalayas. If you don't see Himalayas, you miss a dimension of your life. They took me to so many hills, Mount Rainier and all these things. Here also the snow is there, everything is there, but nothing compared to Himalayas. Nothing compared to Himalayas. That has got a different energy, very energy is different. Himalayas. Next day morning, sun raised. We all came out to see whether everybody is safe or somebody has become dinner for tiger. All of us are safe except one Swami. One Swami did not come out of his room. He is not to be seen. We all ran towards his room. One young Swami was about to open that room. Then that senior person shouted, "Hey, don't open. There is every chance tiger may be inside." After having a dinner and after having a good sleep, maybe waiting for the breakfast to be served in the room. Waiting for the compliment breakfast. You do not know. Don't open the door. Anyhow, he stood outside and shouted, "Swami, Swami, are you all right?" From inside we got the reply. He shouted, "Yes, yes, I am keeping well, but please come inside and take me out." And we thought, what is the problem? We broke the window and entered inside. Inside there was a stone which was supported against the door. 4 or 5 of us put together with all our effort, we have to move that stone, open the door and bring him out. I asked him a question. With 4 or 5 of us put together with a crowbar, only then we could move the stone. How did you move the stone last night alone? It's not a small stone. He said, "What? I moved Yesterday night when I heard the tiger is coming, I simply lifted that stone. Don't think it is a small stone. 200 kg. 200 kilograms heavy stone. In North India they will make chapati, rotis. To make roti, they will grind the wheat and the oil. That stone which is used to grind the wheat and oil, 200 kg. Not that he moved 10 feet, 300 feet from the kitchen. He lifted the stone, walked and opened the door, closed the door, supported it. He says, when I heard that tiger is coming, in that fear, I did not know what I did. Today morning only I saw such a big stone inside my room. I do not even know what size it is. Only today morning I felt, but my room is this stone. From where the energy came? At the time of emergency, the second layer opens. This is called emergency layer. Only at the time of emergency. Why to bother about the tiger? If you are chased by a dog, do you know the speed of your... Ordinarily, if you run 10 miles per hour, if a dog chases you, who is answering?
Oh, I said it'll double up.
Not double up, triple up. And especially in India, here I don't find the dog problem. Here you all miss that street dogs. That's really some juicy part of your life. Especially in the night time, if you are a little late to your house, there you have to come by town bus. You come back by town bus, and from bus stand, if you walk towards your house, from house to bus stand, if it takes half an hour, I can be sure in the night time, bus stand to the house will take only 10 minutes. Because every street will have their own dogs, allotted duty. And one thing you should understand, I am telling you seriously, they have understanding amongst themselves about territory. Dogs, street dogs have got understanding about the boundary. They don't enter others' boundary and others don't enter their boundary. And every day morning they will go around and verify, check their boundaries. Actually, they go around and check their boundaries, whether nobody else has entered, whether their kingdom is safe or not. Have you seen street dogs pissing the light stamp? The lamp post? They verify their territory. They go around. You do not know in India, these are all strange things. They go around and verify their boundary, whether nobody else has entered or not. Just an ordinary dog is enough to make you run. There are so many examples we can give. At the time of emergency, the second layer opens. Emergency layer of energy opens.